I never thought making YouTube videos could lead to this. One day, I'm just reading comments on my video, and the next thing I know, I'm working on a Roblox game as a gameplay and cinematic animator. And here's the wild part. It all happened because of you. This is the story of how one comment turned into my first freelance gig in ages, and why it might be the biggest shift in my animation career so far. But before I tell you that, there's something else that happened, something that made me question if I'm even a good animator at all. So here's what went down. I was replying on comments like I always do. When someone drops a message, "Hey, I've got some work for you," from YouTube comments, we moved to Discord, and next thing, I'm officially working on a Roblox project. Big shout out to Darkness for trusting me with this, and even bigger shout out to all of you who've been watching, liking and supporting my videos, because without you, that message would have never reached me. And that's why you haven't seen any live streams or short film updates lately, because I have been buried deep into this project, but I've also been cooking something else. My short film Sanjeevani, it's still alive and kicking. I finally finished all the storyboards for the extra shots till the climax. Now if you see them, you'll probably think, wow, that's ugly. But for me, they're gold, because I can understand them. I'm not chasing perfect timing right now, I'm chasing the feeling. And once this Roblox project wraps, I'm going straight back to Sanjeevani. But in the middle of all this, something happened that shook me a little. I got a comment saying, "You are no good animator." Now, usually I would laugh it off, but this time I took it seriously. Not in a sad way, but in a wake-up call way. Because here's the truth. With the years I have been in the industry, I should be way better than I am right now. So I decided to do something about it. Right now, apart from this Roblox project, I'm also working on another freelance gig that's seriously testing my limits. It's the kind of project where every animation has to be spot on, where the timing, the weight, the emotion, everything has to hit perfectly. It's challenging me to give my absolute best, even when I'm tired, even when it feels impossible, but I know that by the end of it, I will come out a much better artist than I was before. Here's another crazy thing. Ever since I got this gig, my inbox has been buzzing. Creators big and small are reaching out with collaborations and projects, and honestly, every single message meant the world to me. But I had to say no to most of them. Why? Because I'm just one guy, and right now my priority is my short film and gigs that help me keep the lights on. Saying no hurts, but it's also how I keep moving forward. If there's one thing I have learned from this, it's this. You have to be seen. No matter how small your audience is, no matter how imperfect your work feels, put it out there. That one person who sees your video, your art, your story, they might be the one who changes everything for you. I was stuck for a year, but one YouTube comment just opened a new door for me. And if it can happen to me, it can definitely happen to you. So keep creating, keep showing up, be seen. I mean, not just your work, but show yourself. Showing yourself will humanize your work in this age of AI, and maybe one day I will be the one leaving the comment under your video, offering you your first gig, like if I have the money to give you. And hey, if you got something from my story today, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more creators like us. Subscribe if you want to follow this journey, and drop a comment if you are willing to share your journey as well. Back to animation. See you in the next one. Bye.